Monang Kalia, Monang Kalia.
Thank you to each and everyone for being with us today. We are very pleased to be able to welcome our honorable and esteemed guests for tonight. I hope you didn't have too much trouble on your journey here. So, starting with the program, I would like to invite Ayo Srimati Nyabu Jinu Dirji for a welcome address.
Hiunga ayum him, rungamba dagla, ngunga itanogor bolok ngom ayamu paba mula hajna ngok state BJP President Wage Sarji ok ngok mugajen ba amin gana tapen siga Sarji ok tagin siga Sarji ok makta ngok nyob nalong ok mug hak lok han Vice President ajen gade yakab etrislal mentuma ok mune durugla ngunka hoka host ba an ngunka ato ex minister Iken Ribaji ok makta senior Karyom Ramji ok senior leader ngunka Gojum Basar Sarji hiunga ok ngoka inya hengo Basar Sar retired DC ok ngunka higi officers ASODis ngunka ADC Sar sin adu Bamsar je Bamsar ok ngunka senior public yakogo adu nunam naruam hiumngo welcome dang na ok ngoka itanogor bolok sajna ngoka BJP wage sar ok mug timam ne welcome la ok durug jin mam ne ngok senior ok leader senior citizen ok ngok public ponu party ok ngok BJP ajen nunam sin munam durug namam ne majib alba mula welcome dang na ok jam la mendang na ok hium sar mun hogo mun ke BJP team inyago tour program go kan muga tour program hogo ngo munam ne ngok hogo hium ngo dinar go len me na higum alruba doken tu pamat besin ijane alrub dojru la kam la ngunam request dang na okay ijane ke bia ago mensia kama eke ja amla welcome dang la thank you ngok agmam hok mentor tu.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the host for tonight, Srimati Nyabu Dirchiji, ZPC of La Parada district. So let's straightly proceed towards the agenda. Sir, the host, she is very much pleased by your kind presence. You have spared your valuable time to arrive at her residence. So as a token of love, she has small mementos for all guests that are present here today. Sir B.R. Wage, Honorable State President, BJP come MLA, 12 Pakke Kesang, he's among us here today. So, sir, in this regard, the host for tonight, She just want to present you a small token of love, sir. If you just don't mind, sir, can you please kindly come over the stage? Ladies and gentlemen, this is Narua Kakamadupa, Muruka State Boka Neriboka BJP Loka President Sri Biram Wageji. Sir, a small token of love. He Gunuka Galo Pura Boomra Ram Gunu Isar Nengun Oro Kobugo, Rachago, Oka Gunuka local Galo Tango Goi, Oka Galo Lugergo Isarne, Medamu Anigo, small token of love.
Next, I would like to invite on the stage Sir Tapin Sega, advisor to CM. Sir, please kindly, can you step on the stage?
This is Sri Tapan Siga. He is advisor to Honorable CM, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, thank you, sir, for accepting the small token of love. Next, we are very fortunate enough to have amongst us today Sri Nalong Muje. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Nalong Muje, State General Secretary, BJP. Thank you, sir.
Next, I would like to request Ato Iken Ruba, former minister, to kindly come on the stage.
Please assist Ato Iken Ruba, sir, to come over the stage. A small token of love to Ato Iken Ruba, sir, former minister from the host, Srimati Nyabu Dirchiji, ZPC La Parada. Naru Anigo Hamba. Give them jiram ko hakram anigo token of love anigo jiram non anigo chipok jiru laka please. Tartarak, State Vice President, BJP. Sir, a small token of love from the host tonight. A local mashet and a local court. Next, I'd like to request Sir Tagin Siga, State Vice President, BJP. Sir, can you kindly come over the stage? Ladies and gentlemen, this is Sir Tagin Siga, State Vice President, BJP.
Next, I request Sir Ashok Sanchoju, State Secretary, BJP, to kindly come on the stage.
Hello.
Next, I request Srimati Takoyapa, State Secretary, BJP, to kindly come on the stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Srimati Takoyapa, State Secretary, BJP. Madam, this is our local Galo Gale. Thank you for accepting this small token of love from the host.
Next, I request Sir Tommy Heather, District in Charge, BJP, La Parada District.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Tommy Haider. He is the District in Charge, La Parada. A small token of love from our host. a local Galo tango. We used to call it as a Galo tango. Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, this is Sri Belegadi, State Convener, BJP.
Next, I request Srimati Yamak Doyom Dupik, Vice President, ST Morcha, BJP.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Srimati Yamak Doyom Dupik. She is the Vice President of ST Morcha, BJP, State Unit. Madam, a small token of love from the horse. She is Miss Kenbu Basar, and by virtue, she is the Vice President of ST Morcha, BJP. So a small token of love from the horse tonight, a local gale. Next, can I have on the stage Mr. Dotum Sora? He's the district in charge of Siang. So can I have Sir Dotum Sora on the stage, please? सर दोतुम सोरा जो है बीजेपी का सबसे पुराना यहाँ या पुराना कार्यकर्ता है लपारादा के. Thank you, sir. Okay. Thank you, madam, for the token of love to all the dignitaries and special guests. This is Sri Ravi Mishra, media person. Amrin ma sarmunu ka chak or VIPs ka chak lokka pura coverage am chin ridu amrin ma. Ingun ka Ravi Mishra. Sir, this is a small token of love. हमारे नालोंग मुझे सार के साथ कंपनी देने आए हैं एक बहुत ही खास पर्सनालिटी श्री ताजिद तमुर जी, जेडपीसी मैडम का आप भाई है. तो सर आपके लिए भी एक छोटा सा यहाँ टोकन ऑफ लव अपने दीदी की तरफ से, छोटा सा एक टोकन ऑफ लव सर आपको अपने दीदी की तरफ से. ओके, थैंक यू मैडम, थैंक यू सर.